Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Deepak Narsaria, and before starting this video, I request you all, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the red color button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get the latest updates regarding cryptocurrencies and marketing. So as you have seen the thumbnail and the video description, yes, you can win over 0.1 to 1 BNB by participating in the contest of BNB Stake app. So the thing is, as you've seen my videos regarding BNB Stake app, so you can stake your BNBs here and you can earn more income, extra income by investing in these smart contracts. So if you have not watched my previous video, you can check uh, in my channel, or else in the I button below you will find all the videos. So the procedure is, when you join this video, when you join this BNB stake, so for getting 0.1 to 1 BNB in the winning competition challenge, you have to first stake your BNBs. After staking your BNBs, what you have to do is you have to scroll down, and you have to take the screenshot of your deposit sections, like whatever you have deposit, you have to take the screenshot of it, and plus you have to copy your wallet address. For you can get it here, and or else you can go to your trust wallet and get your wallet address, and you have to go here in their officially BNB stake telegram group, and you have to post here. You have to post your screenshot plus your wallet address. So what will happen is, they randomly select people, and they will give the withdrawal, like they will give the bonus, or the whomsoever win the BNBs, they will send to that particular wallet address you provided. As you can see here, for proofs, this is the 10th competition and one winner every day they're winning BNB. So win 0.1 BNB. In some cases, in rare cases, you can say that most of the times they win over 1 BNB too. So as per the winning declaration and the competition basis, they give the BNBs, and the distribution of BNBs will happen like that. As you're seeing here, to participate in the competition, first of all, what you have to do is you have to make an investment in the BNB stake. You can make even 0.05 BNB, but most of the times what I have observed personally is, you if you have invested more than 1 BNB, then there is a high opportunity to get winning competition. Like, if you invest more than 1 BNB, there are the high possibilities that you will win the challenge, because I have observed like that. So you have to make a screenshot of the deposit or withdraw and post it. And what you need to participate, a screenshot of withdraw or a deposit where the date is visible, your BNB wallet address, as I said, which may receive a win if the result is positive for you, must be posted as a first post in the Telegram group. We have to just post it, friend. Every day we use a random generator to choose one winner from the list of people who post a screenshot to the Telegram group. So posting the screenshot with the proper date, it means, friends, it is simple. You have to take the screenshot. The date is here, 17 March, as you can see. This is the dates. Okay, so you have to post it. They will use some softwares, or some randomly they will select, and if you are lucky enough, then if you wins, they will transfer those BNBs into the wallet address what you have provided. And there is some attention that, hello dear investors, mention your wallet address with your investment screenshot, clearly visible date of the investment. Those who will not follow us will not be included in the daily contest. So your dates and the wallet address should be correct. Okay, so these are the things, friends, and right now we are the family, or as the community of more than 2500 active participants, and you can see 2565 members, and we are doing really well, and the contract balance is also getting increasing day by day, and it is running very good. And you'll find my referral link below description of this video, and also you'll find the link of my Telegram group from where you can join, or else if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. I will definitely like to help you to process all the things. Okay, you can watch, even in the I button you can watch my previous videos also. You'll get all the information from there, because I have made so many videos, and I'm regularly making the video of my withdrawal, live withdrawal, what I'm taking from the BNB. So my referral link of this BNB stake will be available in the video description, so please don't miss out it, and join my Telegram group also. I hope you loved it, friends, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends who are likely to invest in the cryptocurrencies. You can share your referral link, and from the referral link also you can earn good income. Like you can see, you can make some good income as I made just by referring 5 members. So you can get an income from the three level, from first level, second level, and third level. And that's it, friend. If you invest in this, I congratulate you for the advance happy earnings. So that's it for the today this. Thank you.